Welcome Horizons attendees. This is a walkthrough of our conference app, Whova. Whova is available to download on all devices from either the App Store or the Google Play Store. With Whova, you will be able to access our event schedule, socialize with other attendees, receive important announcements from our team, and share your feedback for chances to win prizes. When you open the Whova app, you will see that it is organized by 5 tabs at the bottom: the Home tab, the Agenda tab, the Attendees tab, the Community tab, and the Messages tab. The Home tab is a space where you can access basic information about our event. There are also tabs to access information such as the available hotel accommodations, the travel information, and the floor plans of the venue. The Agenda tab is a space where you can view the schedule of the event. It is separated by each day the event is occurring, and you can filter what kind of presentations you want to see by using the Tracks feature. On the right of each event is an option to add it to your agenda. This will add the events you want to attend into the My Agenda tab, where you can view the events you have signed up for. If you try to sign up for events that are concurrent, you will be asked to remove the conflicting event. It is important to keep in mind that sessions at Horizons will be filled out on a first-come, first-served basis at the door, so you gotta be fast. The agenda feature is to help plan out your days. It is not a reservation feature. The Attendees tab is a tab where you can view the names of other attendees. If you attend a presentation that you really enjoy and want to connect with the presenters, feel free to find them here and say hi. The Community tab is a space where discussions and announcements can be viewed by all attendees and organizers. Here, you can see any announcements from our team and ask us questions. You can also discuss topics of your own choice and find other people with the same interests. Additionally, this is where you can also provide us your feedback about the conference and be entered to win exciting prizes. The Messages tab is where you can view and send messages to other attendees. The messages here are private and can only be seen by you and those you send your messages to. Now you're ready for Horizons, Crisis and Social Transformation in Community Engaged Research. See you at the conference.